her cold. Dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Pumping braids, got mini afros. Big lips, got tips, some of us don't. Big nose contours, some of us won't. Never wanna pass in a video, bro. Wanna fight pretty like a Kardashian, no. Wanna put pretty in my eyes.
Guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tan if you're new. In today's video, we have a unit that was sent over from, well, you already know by the title, LuvMe Hair. They sent over this limited design ginger highlight ombre loose wave moment, and as soon as I saw that she was a ginger, I was just like, yes, 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 send her over. I just love me a good ginger unit. This is a 5x5 closure unit, so therefore if you are somebody who's not really a big fan of dealing with like a whole lot of lace, but you like a little razzle dazzle, you know, when it comes to the color, this might be the unit for you. The cap construction for this unit comes with 4 combs in total, 1 in the back, 2 in the front with 1 on each side. It also has 1 in the very crown of the unit. It also comes with adjustable straps and a pre-attached elastic band that you can adjust. Seeing as how this unit does come with a pre-attached elastic band, you can wear this as a glueless unit. Now me personally, I think that all of my units are worn gluelessly because I mean, I don't use any glue. I use the spray adhesive, but I mean, I take them off every night with some water. So I don't know, I feel like that's glueless in my opinion. But if you don't want to wear like any type of glue, any type of spray, you can do that with this unit because of the band. This unit comes with pre-bleached knots, pre-plucked, and also it has curls in it already, so it's already basically styled for you. So if you do want to just take it out of the box, cut that excess lace off, excess is definitely excess lace off the front, and then of course, you know, put your foundation or powder on the lace to tint it and throw her on. You can definitely do that. Now we are going to be installing this unit straight out of the box. I haven't washed her or anything, so we're going to see what the curls give, and if it's not given to me, then we're going to restyle her. But you know, just keep watching to see.
What have you become? What have you become? That's what you've been. I was blind, I was in it, I was bad.
Okay, so I know that I said that you could just, you know, pull this unit out of the box and then you should be able to just, you know, go on about your way. Girl, don't you walk out the house like this. Like, it's giving I'm George Washington's cousin 3 times removed. Yeah, we gonna curl. I can't even talk, Lord. We gonna brush these curls out and probably also part her a different way. I see the vision though. I see the vision.
Oh, I thought that I was changing you. I can't believe I faced you. You know your mama ain't raised you like that. Look at your behavior, that's what she is ashamed of you, damn. Look at what you become, matter of fact what you've been. I was just like, I was just so in it, I was just so committed. No, I don't regret it, I know what love is once I let it go, let it go, let it go. Let it go, that you're doing too much and you die. When I know you, when you try to hold on to my attention, won't you let it go? Let it go, let it go, let it go. Hey, hey, cause you're doing so much and you try to watch, trying to get a reaction. I am a child, so I cannot be touched. You good, you want it bad and you need it. I don't want to be feeling dead, so I said that I was needed. I thought you would be real, I thought you would be right. Talking out that tough shit, then you gon' go down.
Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about this unit from LuvMe Hair. Actually, let me apologize if the lighting has changed or anything like that. It is much later in the day now. I have worn this unit pretty much all day. I'm about to like get ready to take her off, take my makeup off, and get ready for bed and whatnot. But like y'all, this unit, 10 out of 10. Like I said, I've had this unit on all day. I went to Sally's, I went to the beauty supply store, and I also went to Target. And literally at all 3 stores, somebody stopped me just to tell me either how pretty I was, how beautiful I was, or how much they liked my hair. In my opinion, I received those compliments because of the hair. Like I said earlier, the reddish brownish tone of the hair mixed with this like ginger-esque, I don't want to say highlights because it's not throughout the entire unit. I mean, they're like right here, so I guess it's like money pieces, and then they're like on the bottom like a peekaboo type of moment. I don't really know how to explain it, but I think it's because of the coloring of the hair. Once I went in and fixed the curls on this unit, I feel like she really came to life. Like there's so much movement and body within this unit, which I absolutely love whenever it comes to like a shorter curl type of unit. The layers that were cut into this unit were done to perfection. Like I am literally obsessed with this unit. The lace on this unit is blending like a freaking dream. Most of the time I'll go on top of the lace with my foundation brush, well, the excess of foundation that's on my foundation brush, but I didn't do that this time, and that's because the melting spray I've been using here lately, I don't know, I feel like sometimes it can turn the lace a little bit darker in color if I choose to go on top with the foundation brush, not the melting spray by itself, if I choose to use the foundation brush on top. But I didn't do that this go around, and yeah, she looks amazing. Of course, because this is a closure unit, my edges and sideburns are exposed, but as long as I keep the unit down, it's covered, it's fine, it's not a big deal. But if I choose to try to like pull the unit up, then yes, my edges will be exposed, and the back of the nape, or the nape of the hair, the nape of the unit will also be exposed. But I mean, like, girl, it's a bob. Kinda. Yeah, it's a bob. Keep it down. But yeah, like I said, I am like literally obsessed with this unit. Like I really need to buy me some clothes so I can get dressed and then actually leave my house and, you know, take pictures and whatnot, you know, for the gram and whatnot, because I feel like my Instagram sucks. But you know what, we're gonna work on it for 2024. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell that way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They're both at @Dotson. I'll be sure to have all of the information for this unit down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.